Meet John. A man who was homeless and living on the streets, with no hope for a better future. But John was not ready to give up. He had a dream to get an education and change his life for the better. John worked tirelessly for years, doing odd jobs to make ends meet, but he never gave up on his dream. He spent countless hours studying in libraries and coffee shops, teaching himself the material he would have learned in high school. And then one day, John's hard work paid off. He received an acceptance letter from Harvard. And today, John is not just a Harvard graduate, he is an inspiration to millions around the world. John, no matter what challenges you face, never give up on your dreams. If I can do it, so can you. Share this video with someone who needs a little inspiration and motivation to pursue their dreams. John's story is proof that with hard work and perseverance, anything is possible.